hello students. Let us study about fertilization. Well, fertilization is a process of fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Now, where does it take place in a flower? Look at this diagram. This is the diagram of the female part, that is pistil or carpel, uppermost part stigma, then style, then ovary. And when pollination occurs, what is pollination? Pollination is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. So this is pollination. When pollination occurs, then on stigma there are some chemicals are found. Due to those chemicals, pollen grains develops into a tube-like structure. You can look at this diagram. This one is pollen tube. This is incomplete. It stops here, and this one is complete. So pollen tube. What is the work of pollen tube? Basically, male gamete are found into the pollen tube, inside pollen tube, and that pollen tube finally reach ovary. First of all, it starts germinating from here, stigma, then goes towards style, then it reaches ovary. After that, there is one more part found inside the ovary, that is called ovule, and it invades ovule and finally reaches this part. This is called embryo sac. Inside our embryo sac there is female gamete is found. Finally, the male gamete reaches here and fuses with this female gamete. So this is what fertilization. Fertilization is fusion of male gamete and female gamete inside the ovule. Okay. After fertilization, what kind of changes occur? So basically, after fertilization, ovary becomes fruit. Ovary increases in size and becomes fruit after swelling up, and ovule becomes seed. So these are the changes we can observe after fertilization. Rest of the part like sepal, petal and stamen dry off, and it just fall off from its part, from flower actually, and then stigma and style also, it also fall off because there is no more use of sepal, petal, stamen, even stigma and style as well. Okay, and inside ovule, inside embryo sac, after the fertilization of male gamete and female gamete, zygote is formed. That zygote becomes embryo after multiple cell division, and that embryo develops into future plant. Embryo is having baby plant. Basically, embryo is baby plant that develops into plants after germination of seed. When we germinate seed, then embryo develops into baby plant. So ovule becomes seed, ovary becomes fruit, zygote becomes embryo, then further baby plant. So inside the seed, basically baby plant is found. So seed is in dormant state. Whenever the seed will germinate after getting favorable condition, that is soil, air, water, moisture, all this kind of thing, then it will germinate. So embryo will germinate into future plant. Now you look at the screen. In next video we'll learn about germination of seed, dispersal of seed, then germination of seed.